So now we're on to the boil. You can see I got it covered right now. I'm just going to get up to a rolling boil and then I'm going to take that off. I've got both burners going. I'm going to see how this works out. I did one burner last time I brewed and it didn't come out so hot. One thing I cannot stress enough: towels. Towels work out very well because I don't know about you, but I spill shit and water and wort and stuff all over the place. You can see here we have our yeast pack bulging nice and good, ready to go. Primary fermenter, which was doubling as a overall utility bucket. We got to sanitize that with our Star San. I've got a little spray bottle here, which I use for that. Some people like to just douse it, but a nice spraying should do well. Make sure to get the edges on the outside as well, because those sometimes come in contact, and you don't want that to spoil your beer. So we're just going to spray that down, let that sit for a little while.